Hey butterflies, welcome back to another planner video. This is a little bit different. I am going to be setting up my budget planner. I'm using an Erin Condren monthly planner, and I'm just going to be setting it up. I've got January stuff already here. I'm going to be using these stickers from Aromo Plans. But I think I'm going to do this part, my January monthly, off camera for this time, and I'll share with you my February one. But right now we're just going to be setting up like my goals page for the year and some trackers in the back. So yeah, let's get into it. So I was watching Aromo Plans, Michelle on there, she's the one that, she gave me a notebook with this cover, and so I had to have it because it's so pretty. And yeah, so one thing she does is she like tracks like house payments, and if you hear Daisy in the background, she's chewing on something she's not supposed to be. And she also tracks I think I'm going to use this other one, what do you call it, paydays. So I'm just going to go back and go all the way through for my paydays. So my first one was, we get paid on the 31st. She uses little clear stickers. I don't have any other like mortgage or anything like that, so I'm just going to do my paydays, and if I think of something else later I can put it in there. So that one was the 29th because that was early. Okay, and that is for the rest of the year. I don't know if I will still be at the same school next year, so I'm not gonna put in there. There's probably other things I could put in here, but I just can't think of them right now. Hold on, I have to get this cat.
David, you are being a silly butt.
Sorry guys, she pulled off a bubble sticker and she's still playing with it, so you're just gonna have to deal with it because she's just too cute to. This I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. I've heard of like showing your savings tracker, your monthly overview. I haven't decided yet, so. But I did decide on this one. I am going to, and I need to have a straight edge, is that I'm going to make this my goals for the year. So I'm just going to use this washi that I had because I just think it's really pretty. And then I have this really big ruler too. I made a list of what I want to put on here. So these are my 2022 goals. And I could have made myself a sticker, but I decided not to. I think this is just fine. So I want to pay off 3 credit cards. 2 of them are fairly low balance, and that's why, and one's very high balanced. I have more than that, which is just horrible, but it's one of the reasons I am doing this now that I have a more steady income and that it is budgetable. Before I was literally living paycheck to paycheck and not really able to like budget, and sometimes I couldn't pay my bills. So with that being said, I'm going to pay my dad back. I did borrow some money from him, and I'd like to be able to pay him back. I'd like to go on a vacation, and when I put that in my budget, it's because I want to paid in full. Like I want to pay for it ahead of time. I don't want to put anything on a credit card. And then I want to have, I can't write today. $3,000 in savings. I think those are really good goals, and if I get to these like all like by not January, it is January, by like July or something, I can add some stuff. So there's that. Then I want to do a debt tracker in the back in the notes section. So I wanted to do a savings tracker, and these are stickers from my shop. You can buy them right now. Oh my gosh, Daisy! Shh. You may have seen them last year. I used them also, but they're just nice big jumbo stickers, and everything is a nice sticker. So this is my rainy day fund. My start is here. My goal is 3K, so I'll put that in a second. And then each of the dollar signs will equal, I think I'm going to make them equal $100. So 100, my goal is 3K, and my start is at 0. So these stickers I will put back here for later. Okay, the next one I want to do is, I'm sorry, this cat is just a debt tracker, and again I'm going to grab this washi. Have not fully thought this one out. Kind of wishing I had printed off some monthly stickers. I might have some somewhere. Okay, so trying to think, how do I want to set this up? Shoot. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is do January and then list the different ones, and then I'll put how much it is, and then I'll do February, and then it'll just take up whatever, you know. What are these? Oh, that's for next year. See, I haven't even fully looked at it. So all the debts I have are, I have a student loan. I should have skipped a line. My dad, what I owe him. Then I have all my credit cards. So I have my Disney card. And this one, after I pay it off, will also be where like all my Netflix and all like the things that get auto deposited, because I get points that I can use at Disney or at the Disney store. But I'll have that budgeted into my like actual, like as if in my actual budget. Well, you'll understand when I get there. So once I get it paid off, it'll be zeroed out every month. Then I have my Discover, my credit one, which once it is done, I will have it closed out. And my city card, And then my Bank of America. The three I'd like to see get rid of this year are the Disney, the credit one, and the Citibank. They all have the lower balances, so I think I should. I have a private student loan. I'm really close to paying it off. It's only a couple $1,000s, so I might be able to get that one done too, which would be bonus. And then I have federal loans. That I have not been paying on, but I think I would like to start once I get some of these credit cards down. So I may just put this in as January and then when I start paying them off. So that's that, and then I can just go through February and so on. So that's my basic setup. Probably my next video or the video after this will be my February budget, and then I'll go over my January one with you once I've, so you can see how I have it set up. But I highly recommend these stickers from Romo Plans. They're printables. They're what I'm going to be using for all my budgeting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.